You own a dental practice, you're a dental practice owner, and you probably wondered, are there any ways of retaining patients for longer? And I'm gonna give you the number one tip in doing that. So, what you have to do, you're already collecting information from your patients, okay? So, you're collecting their first name, last name, email, phone number, right? So, the reception can contact them and, for example, confirm an appointment. What you need to do if you're not doing this already, what you need to do is have a list of all of your patients. So whenever someone comes in for a consultation or books an appointment, they have to go in a CRM. Okay, they have to go in a database. They have to be added to your list. And you can basically have just one list if you're just starting out, or you can also segregate the list based on the services or based on the service they received. So, for example, all the dental implant patients go into one list, all the Invisalign patients go into another list, and so on and so forth. Now, this can not only help you retain your patients, but it can help you if you want to advertise on a platform like Facebook, for example. And why? That is because the advertiser can make use of that list, put it into Facebook, feed it to Facebook, and tell Facebook, hey, please find me people that are similar to these ones. Okay? So, for example, you have a couple hundred or few hundred people in your dental implant list, and let's say it's, I don't know, I'm just giving an example, 3 years old. So that list, or not 3 years old, but the oldest lead in that list is from 3 years ago. Well, you basically can, or like Invisalign, because Invisalign maybe it's a better example. You can basically say to Facebook, after you've fitted the list, you can say to Facebook, hey, find me people who are similar to these ones. Okay, people who are more likely to need Invisalign to straighten their teeth. Okay, so, and that's basically you don't have to worry about the targeting that much anymore when you have a list, because Facebook will figure out what the age group is, if it's more females or males. They'll figure out the areas where to advertise and many other details. Okay, so that in itself, it's golden. So you should do that. I strongly recommend you do that. And I strongly recommend, so first you can just have one list, one general list, but once the list grows to a few thousand, I would say start segregating the list. And the way this will help you in retaining the patients is because you will be able to do email marketing. And what does that mean? So let's say you have a list of 1,000 people. Whenever you run a promotion, for example, free consultation this November for everyone, or free dental clinic, sorry. Well, what you can do is actually, instead of advertising on Facebook, or you can also advertise on Facebook, but you can make use of those people. You can send mass emails to them and let them know of your offer. And guess what? Once you're offering them, for example, free consultation, many or some of these people will have problems that they will need to fix. And basically, you will sell them the solution. So it's really the best thing that you can do. Build a list. Build a list with, like, whenever someone comes in, a patient comes in and wants, uses your services, well, just put them into the list. Add them to your list. And whenever you have offers running, whenever you decide you want to run an offer, for example, in summertime, it's like less people, maybe you have less people in your practice, less patients because people are traveling, they go on holidays and so on. I mean, maybe you want to run an offer just to attract more patients during that time. Well, you can message or email your list all at one time. All of the people at one time. So that's the best tip that I can give you as a marketer on how you can actually retain patients for longer. You just remind them of yourself, remind them of you, okay? And you send them those offers, and some of them will come back. That's it in this video. I hope this information helped. Now, if you want help with marketing your dental practice and you want me to do it for you personally, then book a free call, book a strategy call with me, and we'll have about 30-40 minutes where I will find more about where you are, where you want to go, or where you want to be, and see what is stopping you, see if I can help. And in worst case scenario, if I cannot help you, or we decide we're not a good fit for each other, I will still give you 2 or 3 suggestions on what I would do if I were you to get to where you want to be, or at least closer to where you want to be. So book a free call. The link will be in the video description. There's nothing to lose. There's no obligation. We don't have to work with each other. We'll have a 30 to 40 minutes conversation about you and about your practice, and see what it is that can be done, that can be improved in order to get more patients, serve more people, and make more money, increase the income. I hope this video helped, and see you in the next one.